Good morning students. Welcome to our English class. Today we are going to learn about prepositions. We are going to learn about prepositions. So what is the meaning of preposition? Preposition means preposition tells about the person or thing, where the person or thing. Preposition tells about where the person or thing is. That means it tells about the position of a object. Position of an object. Okay children, what is the meaning of preposition? Preposition tells about where the person or thing is. Otherwise, it tells about the position of an object. Position of an object. Look here children. What is this one? This is a pot. And what is this one? This is a glass. Where is the glass? The glass is on the pot. The glass is on the pot. Here, on. So, on is preposition. Now look here children. What is this one? Water. Water. Where is the water? Water is in the pot. Water is in the pot. So here, in, on, in. Look here children. This is a table and where is the cat here? The cat is under the table. The cat is under the table. On, in, under. All these are tells about the object or person or animal, whatever it is. Preposition means preposition tells position of an object. Position of an object. Okay children, we have to learn some more in our course book. So all of you take out your course book children. Look here children. Look here children, read them aloud. Here all these are the prepositions. On, in, into, under, with, from, to. At, of, by, for, near, across, above. Over, beside, behind, between, in front of, inside, outside. All these are the prepositions. Okay. See here. The mouse is on the chair. The pencils are in the box. The popcorn changed into popcorn monster. The cat is under the table. Cut the fruit with a knife. So all these underlined words are prepositions. Okay children, here some more are there. You can see the tower from here. ఇక్కడ నుంచి ఆ టవర్ ని చూడొచ్చు. We are going to a movie. సినిమాకి వెళ్తున్నారంట. I arrived at school early. He is the son of my father's friend. The work is completed by me. I am looking for you. The toy is near the baby. Baby దగ్గరలో toy ఉంది. Near means దగ్గర. There is a bridge across the river. River మీద ఏముంది? Bridge. The plane is flying above the buildings. The dog is walking over the bridge. Bridge మీద నడుస్తుంది. The man is beside the woman. Woman పక్కన చూడండి. Woman పక్కన man ఉన్నాడు. Aeroplane బిల్డింగ్ పై నుంచి వెళ్తాం. Above the buildings. Next, the girl is behind the boy. Boy వెనకాల girl ఉంది. The horse is between the zebra and the giraffe. Between మధ్యలో. The student is in front of the teacher. Teacher ముందున్నాడు. The hen is inside the coop. Hen inside means లోపల ఉంది. The dog is outside the kennel. Kennel means dog's house, no? So kennel by it, outside means బయట. Now all of you turn your page number 25. Here we have a small lesson. The dog. It tells about the dog. See here some pictures are there. In these pictures we have to name the picture name. Once a dog. What is this one? Dog. Once a dog saw a cat sitting on a high wall. గోడ మీద కూర్చున్న ఎత్తైన గోడ మీద కూర్చున్న పిల్లిని చూసింది. ఏంటిది? డాగ్. I wish I could see the world. This is world map. That means world. I could see the world standing on that high wall. Said the dog. తను కూడా ఏం చూడాలనుకుంటుంది? ఎత్తైన గోడెక్కి వరల్డ్ మొత్తం చూడాలనుకుంది. క్యాట్ అయితే ఎంత పెద్ద గోడ అయినా ఎక్కగలదు కదా. దెన్ ఇట్ పాస్డ్ బై ఏ పాండ్. ఒకవేళ పిల్లిలా ఉంటే నేను కూడా ఇలా అంతా చూడొచ్చు అనుకుంటుంది. దెన్ ఇట్ ఈస్ పాస్డ్ బై ద పాండ్. దిస్ ఇస్ పాండ్. ఐ విష్ ఐ కుడ్ లివ్ లైక్ ఎ ఫిష్ ఇన్ ద వాటర్. ఒకవేళ ఫిష్లా ఉంటే బాగుండు అనుకుంటుందంట. విష్ మీన్స్ అనుకోవడం, కోరుకోవడం. ఇట్ ఈస్ సో హాట్ అవుట్ హియర్ థాట్ ద డాగ్. బయట అయితే చాలా వేడిగా ఉంది, అదే ఫిష్లా అయితే చక్కగా వాటర్లో ఉండొచ్చు అనుకుంటుందంట. ద ఫిష్ ఇన్ ద పాండ్ ఎన్వైడ్ ద డాగ్. కానీ ఫిష్ ఏంటంట? ఎన్వైడ్ మీన్స్ అసూయ పడడం. డాగ్ను చూసి ఏమనుకుంటుంది? ఐ విష్ ఐ కుడ్ ప్లే ఆన్ ద గ్రాస్ లైక్ ద డాగ్. డాగ్ ఏమో ఫిష్లా ఉంటే బాగుండు అనుకుంటుంది, ఫిష్ ఏమో డాగ్లా ఉంటే చక్కగా గ్రాస్లో ఆడుకోవచ్చు అనుకుంటుంది. యాజ్ ద డాగ్ పాస్డ్ బై ఎ ట్రీ. ఒక చెట్టు దగ్గరికి వెళ్ళేసరికి ఇట్ హర్డ్ ఏ బర్డ్. డాగ్ బర్డ్ వింది. బర్డ్ ఏం చెప్తుందో వింటుందంట. బర్డ్ సే ఐ విష్ ఐ కుడ్ బి ఏ పెట్ లైక్ డాగ్. పెట్ లైక్ ఏ డాగ్. ఒకవేళ నేను కూడా డాగ్లా ఉంటే బాగుండు అని బర్డ్ అనుకుంటుందంట. ఇట్ హ్యాస్ ద రెడీ, what is this one? Food. It has ready food for in the kennel and all the day to play. Chakka kennel means the dog's house. డాగ్స్ కి అయితే రెడీగా ఫుడ్ ఉంటుంది, చక్క రోజంతా ఆడుకుంటుంది అని ఫీల్ అవుతుందంట. బ్యాక్ ఆన్ ద హై వాల్ ఇట్ హర్డ్ ద క్యాట్. మళ్ళీ డాగ్ ఎక్కడికి వచ్చింది? హై వాల్, ఎత్తైన గోడ దగ్గరికి వచ్చింది. అక్కడ పిల్ల ఏమనుకుంటుందంట? ద క్యాట్ సే ద లక్కీ డాగ్ హిస్ డిన్నర్ ఈజ్ వెయిటింగ్ ఇన్ ద కెనాల్. డాగ్ ఎంత లక్కీయో, చక్కగా ఫుడ్ రెడీగా ఉందని. హ్యావ్ ట్రై టు గెట్ సమ్ ఫుడ్ ఆల్ ద డే బట్ కుడెంట్ ఫైండ్ ఎనీ. అదే క్యాట్ అయితే రోజు దాని ఫుడ్ కోసం వెతుక్కుంటూ ఉండాలి, కానీ మొత్తానికి కుడెంట్ ఫైండ్ ఎనీ. ఎంత వెతికినా కూడా దానికి ఏం దొరకదంట. ఐఎమ్ స్టిల్ హంగ్రీ. హంగ్రీ మీన్స్ ఇంకా నాకు ఆకలేస్తుంది. ఐ విష్ ఐ వర్ లక్కీ లైక్ ద డాగ్. నేను కూడా డాగ్లా ఉంటే ఎంత బాగుండు, నేను కూడా డాగ్లా ఉంటే ఎంత బాగుండు అనుకుంది. ద డాగ్ అండర్స్టాండ్ దట్ ఎవ్రీ వన్ షుడ్ బీ హ్యాపీ with whatever they have. The dog understand that everyone should be happy with whatever they have. The dog was not jealous of anyone thereafter. సో అప్పుడు దానికి ఏమర్థమైంది? డాగ్ ఏమనుకుంది అసలు? అబ్బా నేను క్యాట్లా ఉంటే ఎత్తైన గోడ ఎక్కచ్చు, ఫిష్లా ఉంటే వాటర్లో ఉండొచ్చు అలా ఫీల్ అయింది కదా. బట్ ఫిష్ అయితే డాగ్లా ఉంటే బయట తిరగచ్చు అనుకుంటుంది. బర్డ్ అయితే ఏమనుకుంటుంది? డాగ్ అయితే రెడీగా ఫుడ్ ఉంటుంది, రోజంతా ఆడుకుంటుంది అని. క్యాట్ కూడా సేమ్ అలాగే ఫీల్ అవుతుంది కదా. సో దట్ మీన్స్ వీ షుడెంట్ బీ జెలస్ ఆఫ్ ఎనీవన్. వీ షుడ్ బీ హ్యాపీ విత్ వాట్ ఎవర్ వీ హ్యావ్. మనకేముందో, మనకెంత ఉందో దాంతోనే మనం తృప్తిగా ఉండాలి. వేరే వాటిని చూసి జలస్ ఫీల్ అవ్వకూడదు. ఓకే చిల్డ్రన్, టేక్ అవుట్ యువర్ యాక్టివిటీ అండ్ రైట్ డౌన్ డేట్. 27. No, today's date 28. 7/21. The dog. This is your activity book, page number 12. See here, one picture is there, no? This is a house. Look here. Where is the cat? The cat is on the house. Where is the giraffe? Behind the house. Venakala undi kada. So, above the kite is above the house. Next year. Where is the dog? The dog is in front of the house. Where is the girl? The girl is in the house. The girl is in the house. Now we have to complete this one. The dog dash is the dash. The dog is the dog. Here we have to write down. See here children, we have to write the name also. What is this picture? Dog. The dog is, where is the dog? In front. Mundundi kada. In front of the dog is in front of the, what is this picture? House. In front of the house. What is the next picture children? This is giraffe. What is this one? Giraffe. The giraffe is, where is the giraffe? See here children, where is the giraffe? Venakala undi kada. Venakala means behind. The giraffe is behind. behind the house. Behind the house. Next one. The boy is playing dash the. Where is the boy here? Where is the boy is playing? The boy is playing beside the house. Inti pakkana. The boy is playing beside the house. You have to write here house. Picture name also we have to write, no? Okay, see here. Girl. The girl is in the house. Where is the girl? The girl is the house. The girl is in the house. See the next one. What is this picture? Cat. The cat is walking dash the roof. Where is the cat? On the roof. On the roof. The cat is walking on the roof. Next. What is this picture? The kite is flying. The kite is flying dash the house. Look here, children. Where is the kite? Above the house. Look, everyone. Where is the kite? Inti paina undi kada. Above the kite is flying above the house. Turn the page. There are some animals are there. In the water, ducks are there. Boat is there. The boy is in the boat. See, the boy wants to swim, no? Swimming. See here. Now we have to complete this. Look, everyone. Here the words are there. Before, between, into, near, in, after. Before, mundu. Before means mundu. Between, madhyalo. Into, lopalaki. Near, deggara. In, lopala. After, tarvata. Okay, now we have to complete this. See here, children. Here. The boy is sitting. Where is the boy sitting? In the boat. The boy is sitting in the boat. Next one. He is also boy, no? The boy is diving into the water. Into the pond. Into the pond. Pond లోపలికి దూకుతున్నాడు కదా. Next. The ducks are swimming. Here, look here, children. The ducks are swimming near the boat. The ducks are swimming near the boat. The ducks are swimming near the boat. Next, what is this picture, children? Elephant. The elephant is dash the giraffe. Where is the elephant? Look here, children. Where is the elephant? Where is the elephant? The elephant is after the zebra. The elephant is zebra తర్వాత ఉంది కదా. After the zebra. Okay, the elephant is after the zebra. Zebra తర్వాత ఉంది. Next, what is this picture? The zebra is dash the elephant. Look here, children. Where is the zebra? The zebra is dash the. Yes, look here. The zebra is dash the. Between the elephant and cow. Between. మధ్యలో ఉంది కదా. మధ్యలో ఉంటే ఏమని చెప్పాలని చెప్పాను? The zebra is between. Between the elephant and the cow. Next one. The cow is dash the zebra. The cow is in front. Before the zebra. Zebra కి ముందు ఉంది కదా. Before the cow is before the zebra. Before the zebra. Children, another picture is there. The man is standing on the bridge now. Here fish are there. Goat is there. Plants are there. Okay. Now we have to complete it. What is this one? What is this picture? Tell me, what is that picture? This is bridge. The bridge is built. That's the canal. Canal మీద పైన కట్టారు కదా, ఏమనాలి అప్పుడు దాన్ని? Across the canal. The bridge is built across the canal. Here words are there, no? Under, from, over, across, to, off. We have to complete it. Okay? The bridge is built across the canal. Next one. What is this one? Goat. The goat is dash the tree. The goat is under the tree. The goat is under the tree. So here write down tree, under the tree. Next one. Who is he? The man is coming. Dash the office. That means coming from the office. Office నుండి వస్తున్నాడు కదా. Coming from the office. Next one. The fish is out of the water. The fish is out of the water. Again, the man is going. ఎక్కడికి వెళ్తున్నాడు? The man is going to his house. The man is going to his house. Okay, next. Again, the man is walking over the bridge. The man is walking over the bridge. Over the bridge. Okay, turn the page, children. Yes, children. One woman is there, family, and students are here. Now we have to write. See, what is this picture? Family. The family is waiting for a bus. The family is waiting for a bus. The children are going with their parents. Who are they? Parents. The children are going with their parents. Next. The woman is walking outside the bus stop. Bus stop బయట నడుస్తుంది కదా. The woman is walking outside the bus stop. The students are standing at the bus stop. Standing at the bus stop. The family is going out. బయటకు వెళ్తున్నారు కదా. The family is waiting by the bus stop. Okay, children? Turn the page. In next page. From, with, beside, in, by, between, into, under, in front of. See here. The kids are swimming in the pond, in the pool. The bus went into the tunnel. The gift is from my mother. From వాళ్ళ అమ్మ ఇచ్చిందంట. From my mother. The book was written by Tagore. The girl is hiding under the table. I went shopping with my sister. Next one. Reena sat between the boys. The car is in front of the house. John is beside the girl. Beside the Neha. Beside the Neha. Workbook page number 16, children. Page number 16. See here. Add in for these action words. So we have to add the in form. Clean, cleaning. Read, reading. Play, playing. Eat, eating. Fly, flying. Kick, kicking. Just we have to add in form. Glow, glowing. Cry, crying. Drink, drinking. Buy, buying. See, now we have to fill these blanks. The children are playing cricket. Ram is eating an apple. She is crying because she lost her doll. My dad is buying me a new dress. The moon is glowing in the dark. Rani is reading a book. They are drinking milk. The kite is flying. Arvind is kicking the ball. We are cleaning the classroom. See the next one. Look at the table and frame as many sentences as you can. So here are the words we have to make the sentences. With I, you, we, she, it. Okay. I am drinking milk. Leave a line. You are sleeping on a cot. She plays tennis. We are drinking milk. It is sleeping on a cot. Here also prepositions are there. See, the boy sat beside the girl. The aeroplane flew over the buildings. The sun is behind the clouds. The fan is on the table. I got a letter from my brother. The students stood in front of the teacher. Here we have to underline the prepositions. We went into the classroom silently. Into. Just you have to underline. Sheena is looking for her book. For. They went by the library this morning. By. The cat is hiding in the kitchen. We hid under the bed. The red light above us is bright. Olive was waiting near the door. Near. I put the papers inside my bag. Inside. She walked across the room. Across. Rahul is coming with me. With. Now, strike the wrong word. We have to strike the wrong word. The eagle is on the roof or in the roof? On the roof is right. In is wrong. The water flows under the breeze. In the breeze. Under the breeze. In wrong. The horse jumped over or under the fence. Over is right. Under is wrong. He went to the well to fetch water. Not in the well. We go to school by bus. Okay, children? Okay, children, you have to complete all this. Okay, bye. We will meet again in the next class.